Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting access. Obtain an API key and save it as an environment variable so scripts can use it without exposing secrets. Once done, install Python 3, 10 Plus and the Mistral client or a simple HTTP tool. This lets you call the model. Prepare a prompt template and decide on system versus user messages, token limits, and response length. These first steps let you run a minimal request immediately and iterate quickly on prompts. You now construct the core request. Include the exact model name, structured messages, max tokens, and temperature for output control. Make sure to stream responses for large outputs or use batching to parallelize calls if throughput matters. Once streaming is enabled, parse partial chunks and reassemble. Be careful to validate JSON or text boundaries. Also sanitize user inputs to avoid prompt injection and implement retries with exponential backoff. You finish by validating outputs against expected behavior. Run sample prompts, score responses, and tweak temperature or prompt framing to reduce hallucinations. Once satisfied, deploy with rate limits, logging, and cost caps to prevent runaway charges. For resilience, add health checks and fallback messages. If something goes wrong, first check your API key and model name, then verify quota and network connectivity. Additionally, inspect error payloads for rate or format issues to pinpoint the fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.